Why does your scanner show the P0561 engine code? What does it mean? P0561 is a diagnostic trouble code for system voltage unstable. This engine code indicates that the ECM has detected abnormal fluctuations in the vehicle's electrical system voltage, often caused by issues within the charging system, such as a faulty battery, alternator, loose or corroded cables, or bad wiring connections. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: alternator problems, battery issues, wiring and connection faults, other system malfunctions. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Chevrolet, Volvo, Kia, and others. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.